వెనక్కి వెనక్కి ఇంకా వెనక్కి వెనక్కి వెనక్కి
అనిల్ అనిల్
లైవ్ కింద పెట్టేసి ఫోన్ చేసాడు ఇప్పుడే
There have been a lot of controversies with respect to the film industry. It has not been a comfortable relationship as such ever since the new government came to power. And in fact, pertinent that you pointed out about Diljit, but I also want to highlight how the Konda Sureka controversy played out. Remember, Telangana Minister Konda Sureka had made a controversial comment alleging that the leader, BRS working president K.T. Ramarao was behind the divorce of Naga Chaitanya and Samantha, and in that, many of things, or in a set of motor-mouth statements that she constantly, in fact, went about saying some really uncouth comments that did not go down well with the industry. So the industry on the whole stood up for it. But definitely nothing can topple the entire perception of the film industry the moment Allu Arjun was arrested. And why this has come as a shocker is because the manner in which the arrest was conducted. Remember, they had in fact moved the High Court seeking quashing of the FIR that has been filed against him. But while the matter was still pending in the court, he was immediately picked up and arrested. And then the way we saw things transpire in itself, we saw things unfold in a way that was what the film industry says highly unfortunate. In fact, there I want to shift the focus back because you hardly get to see moments like this. And you normally see these things at movie premieres where stars like Allu Arjun often come to promote films, especially junior artists. Vijay Deverakonda too shocked to fame with Arjun Reddy and Liger, which was his Bollywood debut. But here, right now, he's here throwing his support to a friend, Allu Arjun, in fact, where he's having a candid chat. There you can also see producer Dil Raju. He's also the Telangana Film Federation chairman. He's also holding an authoritative position and perhaps is going to be the person instrumental in building that liaison between the state government and the film fraternity. But besides the point, what is exactly happening here for our viewers, we are exclusively inside the residence of Mr. Allu Arjun. This is his lawn where the actor normally, I guess, performs a lot of yoga and has a very winding down time with his children. We've seen videos doing the rounds on social media, but here right now he's having and receiving one celebrities after the other. The media has been allowed to enter here for photo opportunity, and there you can see actor Allu Arjun there now hugging Dil Raju, he's the producer, and also the chairman of the Telangana Wealth Federation, a body that is in liaison with the state government. On the other hand is of course Allu Arvind. He is the noted producer, veteran filmmaker in Tollywood, and above all his identity is of course Allu Arjun's father. We did manage to speak to him yesterday when Allu Arjun was at the Chanjalgura prison, and he told me that it was a traumatic moment for them as a family, and that they do need some time to process through. But yes, yesterday he was in a different frame of mind. Today it's a huge sigh of relief. The family was also of course disturbed with Allu Arjun not being allowed to walk out of the jail yesterday, because he was supposed to be released yesterday, but because of the technical delay and the procedural delay, in fact, the order copy got uploaded very late on the website, and by the time it was handed over to the jail superintendent, it was already too late. So Allu Arjun was allowed to leave the jail only at 6:20 sharp today AM, and his father-in-law and Allu Arjun were there to receive him. Right now on the frame is of course we're waiting for actor Allu Arjun to perhaps speak to the media one more time, but that is going to take that could take some time, because a lot of celebrities are coming in. We're given to understand that I guess actor Rana Daggubati is also on his way here. Megastar Chiranjeevi will obviously be dropping by sometime later. Megastar Chiranjeevi is uncle of Allu Arjun. In fact, Ram Charan Tej and Allu Arjun are cousins. They've grown up together, and we're expecting him. He was here yesterday when